अन्नाद भवति भूतानि पर्जन्याद अन्न संभवाः यज्ञाद भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भवाः. This is a hymn from the Bhagavad Gita. All the beings in this world derive energy from food. All the food gets its energy from a nature in a state of harmony. The harmonious functioning of nature can be realized by yajna, which is the reason for performing yajnas. Today, we stand on the cusp of a great cataclysmic shift on our planet. Humanity is at a crossroad of a shift in consciousness. On one hand, we are making great technological advances, and on the other hand, we are plagued with issues within the human society and in the nature around us that is threatening our very existence. Climate change, severe pollution levels, lowered food production, constant wars, high crime rate, alarming increase in the healthcare crisis, frequent epidemics, growing addictions are causing many to lose all hope and see no clear future for us as a species. The situation seems irreparable and the future looks very bleak. Agnihotra has helped thousands of individuals and families find peace and happiness and transform their lives. The Vedic Sutras also indicate that Agnihotra has a tremendous healing benefit and multifaceted applications. Can we use Agnihotra as a technique to create a global revival by healing humanity and stabilizing nature? The answer is yes. In the age of scientific inquiry, today we have the technological advantage that is helping us understand the benefits of Agnihotra. Many leading institutions, organizations and individuals across many countries are conducting scientific research on the process and benefits of Agnihotra. A series of tests were conducted 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after Agnihotra at various locations in India. It was noted that Agnihotra performance had a marked influence on the atmospheric values. The PM10 and PM2.5 values decreased. Levels of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide were reduced. Oxygen levels stabilized, and the levels of other pollutants like oxides of nitrogen and ammonia were also reduced. In experiments conducted by a group of microbiologists and pathologists, the behavior of microflora was studied in the atmosphere generated by Agnihotra. It was observed that Agnihotra atmosphere was markedly bacteriostatic. In it, more than 96% growth of bacteria was inhibited. Agnihotra atmosphere acted as a shield in which bacteria, especially the pathogenic types, were not allowed to grow. In another set of trials conducted in the highly polluted areas, similar results were noted. In tests conducted on microbial contamination of water and soil, it was seen that Agnihotra ash caused a 80% reduction in the count. It was observed that there is a definite reduction in aerial, waterborne and soil microflora after performing Agnihotra and addition of Agnihotra ash. Doctors at the Vishwa Wellness Center at Shivapuri studied the physiological effects of Agnihotra on the mind and body. It was observed that during the performance of Agnihotra, the high pulse rate showed a declining trend. Body temperature was lowered. High blood pressure levels were reduced. High blood sugar levels were also reduced and the respiratory rate normalized. The EEG showed constant changes. Power in the alpha band increased, while there was a tendency of suppression in delta wave. It has been concluded that Agnihotra atmosphere has distinct beneficial effects on human mind and body, leading to mental tranquility and physical well-being. At the Vishwa run schools, we have noticed marked difference in children performing Agnihotra. The effects of Agnihotra atmosphere on the minds of children are excellent. Agnihotra instills a feeling of positivity in them. Children with special needs tend to calm down and respond much more favorably to their treatment in Agnihotra atmosphere. Children have been known to concentrate more easily on their studies in this atmosphere. It has been seen that the capacity to focus increases as well. Children have also shown a higher resistance to diseases and have shown excellent growth parameters. Countless individuals hailing from all walks of life and all parts of the world confirm unanimously that Agnihotra has brought a new dawn of peace, contentment and fulfillment in their lives. Enhanced levels of confidence and motivation are experienced by all of them with the practice of Agnihotra. They all have shared a feedback that Agnihotra helped them find a new level of inner peace and happiness. Practice of Agnihotra has been found useful in drug and alcohol de-addiction programs. A study was conducted with alcohol and drug abuse victims. It was observed that 80% participants wanted to give up addiction completely. 70% were regretful of having taken up addiction, and 85% of the participants never went back to any addiction. Interestingly, 65% participants wanted to help fellow addicts get out of their individual habits. They all said that Agnihotra gave them positive strength to the mind and enhanced motivation to quit the addiction. Agnihotra ash was added to contaminated and polluted water placed in beakers. It was seen that the ash helped to lower the pH levels, reduce pathogen count and reduced hardness levels of the water. Agnihotra ash and its resultant atmosphere are being employed as useful in ecological and organic farming practices. Hundreds of farmers are regularly practicing Agnihotra farming methods. The fruits, vegetables and grains grown by this method are qualitatively better in texture, taste and size as compared to controlled farms, where regular use of pesticides and fertilizers is done. Agnihotra atmosphere induces rapid seed germination. The shoot growth is better and the root strength is also improved. Agnihotra ash is an effective fertilizer and helps in releasing soluble phosphates from the soil and improves nitrogen fixation. A study was conducted where 50 grams of radioactive rice grains were immersed in a solution of Agnihotra ash and water for 15 days. On day 1, the grains showed a count of up to 200 becquerel per kg. On the 15th day, the radiation levels had dropped down to 3 becquerel per kg. Researchers working in the area of Kirlian photography concluded that the aura of plants and human handprints changed from high levels of stress to an aura of tranquility. A lot of information has been gathered on the effects of Agnihotra, but we cannot say yet that we have understood all the aspects of the impact Agnihotra has on our lives. We are not saying we have all the answers. There is, of course, a lot more to learn and understand. Many more research projects are being planned and many are already underway. Agnihotra has proved to be not just a practice but a complete holistic lifestyle. It is a lifestyle that is in tune with the rhythms of nature and helps us create balance within ourselves. Agnihotra has so far been known to lower stress and anxiety levels, improve physical and emotional well-being, lower effects of pollution, improve confidence, concentration and focus, higher motivational levels, help in de-addiction, reduces chances of epidemic spreads, protects against radiation effects, better agricultural output, rich and nutritious food production, helps shape children's mind in a positive manner, better interpersonal relationships, and of course helps in conservation of nature. At Shivapuri, our international center, we are creating a showcase model of the Agnihotra lifestyle. Thousands of people visit us every year to experience firsthand the healing benefits of Agnihotra in the fields of healthcare, education and agriculture. We invite all of you to come visit us and learn more about this incredible Vedic healing practice. Agnihotra sets in motion a healing wheel which heals us and the nature around us. Every time we perform Agnihotra, we are peeling away at the layers of our own conditioning, ushering in personal transformation, and at the same time are helping stabilize nature. Agnihotra helps us to find true happiness and experience absolute freedom.